Hello and welcome back. Welcome to part 2 of getting money for your nonprofit. Today's video will go over 5 ways to get money besides grants. Number 1, donations from the general public. Build your private donor database. This is a great way to generate unrestricted funds for your organization. Number 2, host an event. Fundraising events like galas, auctions, charity walks, etc. Number 3, create a membership program. Find a community of supporters where members can receive benefits and they pay you monthly, quarterly, or whatever you choose. Number 4, a social enterprise. This is where your nonprofit can conduct a business related to their mission and not be taxed on the activities. Another great way to generate unrestricted funds for your organization. Number 5, you must diversify your funding sources. Do not rely solely on grants. Do not rely solely on activities or public donations. You have to find a variety of methods to consistently bring in funds for your nonprofit organization. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on the next video.